Welcome to 208 Wood Thrush Way, located here in North Creek Village in Nexton. This is a beautiful Montcrest floor plan. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 2,200 square feet. Has all the bells and whistles. Come on in, check it out. Oh wait guys, before I forget, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe. That way each week be alerted every time we put up a new video. Do a different walkthrough of a floor plan or a different neighborhood. Come on in, check it out. Hey guys, check out this amazing kitchen. Beautiful granite countertops, hardwood floors. It's open to the living room space, which is great for entertainment. Take a look. Hey guys, thanks for checking us out today. Again, if you got any questions, go ahead and throw them in the comments or get a hold of us at 843-925-7600. Thanks again, I'm Jason with the Husted team. I'll see you on the next video.